Hello everybody. Well, I've been on vacation the last several days and back in my hometown in Canada after 5 years. I have not been around for quite some time, and I just wanted to share with you, as a Norwex person now, traveling and knowing a little bit more about how cleaning is normally done. I just wanted to share really quickly a couple of things about my trip. So my suite has, my beautiful suite on the lake has this wonderful kitchen, and see off there in the corner, what do you see? Of course, it's got paper towel, which, as you can see, I've been here for 4 days. It has not been opened because I have my amazing Norwex products. And what I did before I left the States was I grabbed the cutest little bag that we have, and I bought this recently. I'm not sure if it's available still, but I just love it because it's great for cosmetics or whatever. It's become my little Norwex sample / travel kit. So I wanted to share with you what I've been doing. The hotel is absolutely gorgeous, and it is super clean. Like, it's wonderful. It's top of the line. It's beautiful. So I'm not here to just, hotels or anything at all, but I wanted to share with you that now I know that cleaning is normally done where there's a lot of chemicals. They leave a residue, and I don't think they get wiped up. I mean, I know I didn't know that about wipes and stuff like that. So when they clean these places, it's going to be very much clean, but there's going to be residue on surfaces and things like that. So just to share what I take with me, just a few things. So of course we have the Enviro cloth, which is the E for everything cloth, and these are the minis because then they're a little smaller and easier to sort of carry and use and stuff like that. So that's the graphite one, which of course is dry. I've been using it obviously, and this is my blue one. I believe they call that navy, and it's wet, like damp, as you can see. So that is what I've been using, and so just wipe down the counters, wipe down the stainless steel sink, and then I've been you guys who know me well, I drink wine. Had a couple parties and lots of people over, so I have a bunch of wine glasses, again washed and then dried with the Enviro cloth. Washed with the Enviro cloth and water, and then just cleaned with the window cloth. And again, you're mechanically cleaning instead of chemically cleaning, and that is what gives you the advantage. And the materials are made with backlock, which is the silver technology, which means that they're not going to be growing bacteria and all that yucky stuff in them. So there's the wet and the dry, and then this is the glass cloth, and those are your two kind of go-to things. A basic package of the full-size ones is a great way to start. And right now, this month until the last day of the month, we have the opportunity for you to jump in and get your own Norwex account for $29, and you get that cloth, and you get the Enviro cloth, the window cloth, and you get the dusting mitt. It's a $63 value, and you get it for $29 plus shipping and handling. It is an amazing way to just jump in to get these amazing products. So I carry a couple more, got some fun colors here, and again, as samples, giveaways as gifts, that sort of thing. So I keep those in my little kit. Then I also have, one of my favorite go-tos is this counter cloth. Different texture to it, as you can see, but it's the size of a cut off piece of paper towel essentially, and it's great for spills and whatever. It can be used wet or dry, and again, with proper care, your Norwex cloths rinsed in water, used with water, rinsed with water, wrung out really well, and then hung to dry. Every single one of our cloths has, and mops and everything else has, these little hooks, and so you can hang them on something air dried. That bacteria will not grow in here because of the silver technology. I keep an optic cloth with me for wiping down TVs and remotes and stuff like that. I also then keep a full-size one in case somebody wants to buy, or I maybe want to gift the Enviro cloth and the window cloth to people. So that's everything that just fits. I'm going to stick it all back in here now, into my little cute, I don't know, travel thingy. And again, you wipe down all your surfaces with that damp cloth. If it's a shiny surface like this, I believe it's a granite countertop, I don't know. You then wipe it up with your glass cloth, glassware, dishes, that sort of thing. And you then know that you have not only cleaned but gotten rid of any bacteria or residual chemicals that are in your spaces when you're traveling. So again, hi from Smoky, in fact the smokiest place on the planet a couple days ago, North Bay, Ontario, Canada. Everybody have a great day. Bye.